Have you ever wondered why banks are one of the richest businesses on earth? And some people still struggle to save just $1,000. It is not bad luck, don't go there. It is just simply by design. Now just stick with me and I'll be exposing secrets that your bank don't want you to know about. Trust me, this is coming from a banker of several years of experience. Hello everyone, my name is Ada and this is Thrive with Ada. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. I'm excited that you're here. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Please, I want you to just subscribe to this channel, share and like this video, press the notification bell. Please drop a comment. I want to read from you. Secret number 1, hidden charges. Maintenance fee, ATM fee, service charge fee, inactivity fee. There are so many fees. You may be looking at it that these fees are maybe in bits, in small amounts, and probably they don't really matter or they don't make a huge difference to your savings. But gather it together over time, you'll be shocked at the amazing amount it will amount to. So one thing you can do is to always negotiate these fees. Some people pay these fees, some pay nothing because they are doing good businesses with these banks. And once those people know that they can negotiate, the banks don't take that for granted. So they give them what they want in order to retain them with them. So know that you have the power to negotiate. The banks will not tell you this. They just throw a fee at you when you come in. When you want to take a loan, you want to take an overdraft, you want to do transactions with them, they dump a fee at you. And because you don't know you can negotiate, they just take advantage of that and make huge profits out of your struggling funds. So one thing you should do is to always ask questions. Negotiate. You can also ask for alternatives outside and take your business to those other alternatives that are probably better. Secret number 2 that your banks don't want you to know is that you can negotiate rates. If you want to fix money, you want to put money in a fixed deposit in the bank for a period of time, of course they have a rate guide which they would have given to staff to show to customers who come in. But don't even bother about that rate guide. Ask questions. Tell them if this is what you want. Tell them to give you your best rate. Otherwise, you take the money to another competitor out there, and then they will give you the best that they can. I've had instances where, approvals are being sold, and then rates that are not even in the rate guide are being approved for customers just because they wanted to retain them. They don't want them to take money away. The banks don't want you to know you can go into a negotiation table. So that's one thing you should just hold on to until they cannot bend anymore. Until they watch you take your money out somewhere else, then you know that that's the best they can offer. Then you can now do your comparison and pick the best option. Secret number 3 is that the banks will play down on risk associated with an investment, for instance, and then blow open the reward. They will tell you what you stand to gain, what you need, what you have to make, what the benefits will they'll be singing it in your ears. But then the hidden charges, they will not talk about it until you encounter it. And when you encounter it, of course, you're already into that investment, into that business to even pull out. And the best they will tell you is that we are sorry, it is just this, we will do something, maybe to bring it, to reduce it or something. When a banker is sweet talking you and telling you about a product and giving you all the benefits, ask for hidden charges, ask questions, ask for those things they are not talking about, and let them give you a commitment. Read the terms and conditions so that they don't just play on your ignorance and make more money into their pockets. Because whoever is talking to you is looking at the income is going to make into his balance sheet. They can even market a product that you don't need, ignoring the ones that you need, just so that they can make a lot of money from you. Secret number 4 is information. The bank will hoard as much information as they can from you. You see, this something as little as mobile transfers, as little as it is. Maybe the charges for small amount transfers may look small, they may not look much to you. If you see the income that the banks are making because of all these little charges they get, you'll be wondering why they are driving it, why they are mounting people to sell out these products. Of course, you are benefiting from it. The bank is also gaining. Try to find a means to gather information. We have to learn to look for information. We have to learn to ask questions. We have to learn, even if it means paying for. It's better you pay for an information that will be beneficial to you than for you to, out of greed, lose more in the process. So information is key for you to be able to, invest wisely, for you to be able to avoid, the exploitations that the banks are probably giving, in the means of giving you services. For example, the savings account, the normal savings account that gives little or no interest is what will be first marketed to you. But you have to be aware that there is something that is called high yield savings account. The interest is higher, and then they tell you the number of times you make withdrawals in a month so that you don't, and these are monies that are available. Your money is not completely tied down once you follow the rules and regulations. So you have to learn to ask questions. Secret number 5, there are free services that is available from the bank that they will not even tell you about. Because every banker is after the income he or she makes. His appraisal, his bonuses, they are tied to how much he's able to make in his branch every month, or let me say quarterly, or according to the performance period. So he will play down on free, those perks that are free, that you get without paying any charges for it. He is not likely to talk about them. Instead, he will talk about those products that will bring in income. Maybe especially the ones that bring in regular income, not just a one-off income. Incomes that probably be weekly, monthly, or when transactions are taking place. He will play down on those ones that don't matter. Even though they are offering that service, it's there, but they will rather not talk about it so that you don't capitalize on that, and so that they don't waste time. The time that they used to make more income, they're wasting it on a free free product or a free service. I hope you know what I mean. Secret number 6 is loyalty trap. They tell you our loyal customer, our best customer, they want to keep you there for years. Meanwhile, that new person, that new customer that comes in gets the best product, gets the best rate, gets the best service, because that person is coming in new. I have opened an account as a new customer in a bank, and they're waiving this, waiving that, waiving this, so that they retain me. And the loyal customer doesn't get as much perks, as much rewards, as much concession like the newbie who just opens account with these banks. So you have to always be at alert. Always make sure you, like I said before, negotiate. Talk about these things. Tell them that, oh, I am no longer banking with you. This other bank is offering me this and you are not giving it to me, so I'm switching. So you just find out the options that are best, and then you just port. It's as simple as that. Secret number 7, credit card deception. They give you a credit card even when you don't even ask for it. You will see something like pre-approved. You have been pre-approved for so amount. You can use it to buy whatever. They're ready to give you money you don't have to spend. And the more you spend that money that is not yours, the more debt you pay. Instead, they can give you a credit card and tell you that, okay, just pay $10 minimum. Meanwhile, interest is running on the other sum that you're not paying. So even if you get a credit card, be wise. Use the credit wisely. In the developed countries, the credit card is used for credit score. If you don't have a good credit score, you can't get loans, you can maybe own a car, own a house and all of that. These things are needed, fine. But then you have to be very conscious of your credit card, such that they don't use that to now put you in debt. They want you to just keep owing and keep borrowing. You have to be wise. Monitor your credit card payments. Make sure you pay all the sum. Don't even pay part. Pay everything and pay before the due date, so that the monies you're spending, you're not paying an extra dime to the bank. So we have to be alert in all these things so that we don't lose at the end of it all. The secrets I've just shared here, they are not exhaustive. This is not all of it. Subscribe, share, like this video. What is that thing that your bank has done to you, that weird thing that they have done that made you so angry that you wanted to even close your account the very minute? Please drop it in the comment section. Let me read from you. Thank you for watching this far. Bye for now.